So when I say start with what you have, you got people that want to come into the box truck business. And when I tell them, all right, well, what you got? What kind of car you got? Oh, all right, well, go sign up with this company, that company, this company, that company, and go run small parcel packages, because that's going to give you a foot in the door. You're going to go work for a logistics company. You're going to learn the operations of the facility. If you're working out of different facilities, you're going to learn your market. You're going to understand when you're making these deliveries, the obstacles that you're going to be faced with.